नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 12, text 13, text 14 and text 15 of chapter 10, divisions of the creation of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 12. विश्वं वै ब्रह्मतन्मात्रं संस्थितं विष्णुमायया ईश्वरेण परिच्छिन्नं कालेन व्यक्तमूर्तिना. This cosmic manifestation is separated from the Supreme Lord as material energy by means of Kal, which is the unmanifested impersonal feature of the Lord. It is situated as an objective manifestation of the Lord under the influence of the same material energy of Vishnu, as stated previously by Narad before Vyasdev, Bhagavatam 1.5.20. Idam hi Vishwam Bhagwan Ive Taraha. This unmanifested world is the self-same personality of Godhead, but it appears to be something else beyond or besides the Lord. It appears so because of its being separated from the Lord by means of Kal. It is something like the tape-recorded voice of a person who is now separated from the voice. As the tape recording is situated on the tape, so the whole cosmic manifestation is situated on the material energy of the Lord and appears separate by means of Kal. The material manifestation is therefore the objective manifestation of the Supreme Lord and exhibits his impersonal feature, so much adored by impersonalist philosophers. Text 13. Yathe danim tathagre cha paschadapye tadidrusham. This cosmic manifestation is as it is now. It was the same in the past and it will continue in the same way in the future. There is a systematic schedule for the perpetual manifestation, maintenance and annihilation of the material world as stated in Bhagavad Gita 9.8. Bhutagramam imam kritsnam avasham prakrutera vashat. As it is created now and as it will be destroyed later on, so also it existed in the past and again will be created, maintained and destroyed in due course of time. Therefore, the systematic activities of the time factor are perpetual and eternal and cannot be stated to be false. The manifestation is temporary and occasional, but it is not false as claimed by the Mayavadi philosophers. Text 14. Sarago navavidhastasya prakrito vai kritastu yah kaladravya gunairasya trividhah pratisankramah. There are 9 different kinds of creations besides the one which naturally occurs due to the interactions of the modes. There are 3 kinds of annihilations due to eternal time, the material elements, and the quality of one's work. The scheduled creations and annihilations take place in terms of the supreme will. There are other creations due to interactions of material elements which take place by the intelligence of Brahma. Later, these will be more explicitly explained. At present, only preliminary information is given. The 3 kinds of annihilations are: first, due to the scheduled time of the annihilation of the entire universe; second, due to a fire which emanates from the mouth of Ananta; and third, due to one's qualitative actions and reactions. Text 15. Adyastu mahatah sargo guna vaishamya matmanah dvitiyastvahamo yatra dravyajnan kriyodayah. Of the 9 creations, the first one is the creation of the Mahat Tattva, or the sum total of the material ingredients wherein the modes interact due to the presence of the Supreme Lord. In the second, the false ego is generated in which the material ingredients, material activities and material knowledge arise. The first emanation from the Supreme Lord for material creation is called the Mahat Tattva. The interactions of the material modes is the cause of false identification, or the sense that a living being is made of material elements. This false ego is the cause of identifying the body and mind with the soul proper. Material resources and the capacity and knowledge to work are all generated in the second term of creation after the Mahat Tattva. Jnana indicates the senses which are sources of knowledge and their controlling deities. Work entails the working organs and their controlling deities. All these are generated in the second creation. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram, Hare Hare.